According to Okanagan legend, each colored pool has a unique medical power.
There's 365 circles here in this lake. Each circle has a different healing property to it.
So if you have warts, you might go to one to heal, and if you have a body ache or another ailment, you might go to another.
Among the many unusual features of this lake is the topography, how it lies in the landscape.
The key to this lake is that it's a lake that really doesn't have any outflow, even in terms of groundwater. It's the water that gets into this thing stays put.
What's unusual about this lake is that there are no streams flowing into it, and there are no streams flowing out of it. The lake lies at the bottom of a sealed hollow basin.
Normally the water cycle goes from the hills into streams into rivers into the ocean. But because it's a closed system in the Canadian Rockies, the meltwater from the snowpack in the winter runs down the hills, picking up salt all the way into the lagoon, but there's nowhere for the water to go except for through evaporation.
When in high summer, most of the water evaporates. It leaves behind Martian-style, multicolored, intensely saline brine pools.
So the reason they're different colors is because they've got different concentrations and mixtures of salts. When the water runs off of a particular part of the hill, maybe there's a gypsum salt and it pulls a lot of that gypsum salt into one of the ponds, and another part of the hill has a different kind of mineral salt and that'll pull it into a different pond.
The water found in each pool retains a distinctive mineral profile. Some pools, Karunis learns, contain Epsom salts, which treat rheumatism and arthritis. For Okanagan healers, the color of each pool indicates which mineral is present.
First Nations doctors would have actually used them as a prescription pad.
But this isn't the most surprising thing about Spotted Lake. The waters here have among the highest concentrations of sulfates anywhere in the world. It's like a chunk of Mars has somehow broken off and traveled 33 million miles. And what's exciting is that scientists believe this Martian-type lake could contain Martian-type life. Analysis of water from Spotted Lake reveals that tiny organisms are indeed living in the pools. It's like Mars has come to Earth. And in these weird holes are clues to life on the red planet.
It's possible that some kind of life like that might be existing on Mars, which would be an insane discovery.